Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can basically free Lana and get her back on the Dress to Impress like nail area. So I've done the quest, so Lana is back here. Oh my god, I freed her from Lena. Hopefully she is the real Lana. I actually don't know. But to free Lana from Lena, go to server, go to Halloween event, press yes, and you're going to do all 3 chapters to free Lana. I'll make a tutorial if you want, but it's actually pretty simple. There's a bunch now anyways. So yeah, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.